Hey guys, I have here a Huayu brand universal remote for smart TVs. This is the model RM-L1107+X. If your smart TV remote needs a replacement already, this is the best one out there. It's an upgrade from the previous model of 1107+8 that is for LED LCD TVs. In this model, they have added smart TV buttons like Netflix and YouTube. In this video, I'll walk you through the features and specifications of this remote as well as quick demo on how to set up. For the compatibility, it remains almost the same as the old one. They still separated the setup process between famous brands and China brand TVs. Inside the box, you'll get the remote itself and some manuals on how to set up this remote. I'll be explaining on the next part of this video for your convenience. Just under 200 pesos, this remote has a premium finish and got all the buttons that you will need. Make sure to get this from our online store. I'll be posting the link in the description below. This is the list of brands, aside from the famous brands that we have compiled through the years. If your TV brand is here, it's most likely compatible. So there are two ways to set this up and it depends entirely on your TV brand. If your TV is already included in the famous brand, you just need to hold the specific button that corresponds to it. Like in our case, this is a Samsung Smart TV model. Now if your TV brand is not included in the famous brand but is still on the list of China brands, you need to hold the set button. Make sure to hold and wait until the volume sign appears. It may take 5 to 10 minutes as it runs through thousands of codes. As it appears, release the button and it should be ready to go. In some instances, the buttons will be jumbled up. To troubleshoot this, make sure to repeat the steps until you get every button right. Guys, that's it for now. If you have any question, make sure to comment it down below. I'll make sure to answer them. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel.